Hey everyone, this is John from AAA and in this short video I'm going to show you how to download the MetaTrader 4 platform and also log into your account on MetaTrader 4. So when you're on AAAFX.com, you just want to go to the top here and under platforms, go ahead and click MetaTrader 4. Once that pops up, you can go ahead and click download 4 and then we're going to do Windows. And that will initialize the download and we can just go ahead and start it up. Okay, and then it's just like installing any other program. We're just going to go next and we're just going to wait for it to install. Once that's done, we'll click finish. Now MetaTrader 4 is installed, so we're just going to go ahead and open it up. And now we're going to log into our account. So you can actually open up an account directly from MetaTrader 4. But if you already have, whether it's a real account or a demo account with AAAFX, you don't have to actually open an account on that MetaTrader 4, you just have to log in. So if you did want to open up an account, you just select whether you want a demo or real. And you can basically select new demo account or new real account and then go through the sign up process. But since we already have an existing account, I'm going to go ahead, click on existing trade account, and I'm going to enter my login and password. Now, if you're unsure what your login and password is, all you got to do is log in to AAAFX on their website. So I've logged in here and you can find your accounts right here. So a live account or a demo account. So if I want to go ahead, do my demo account, I'm just going to click on the demo. Now this number here is your login, okay? And the password will be the password that you initially set when you signed up. So all I'm going to do is just copy that. That's my demo account. Paste it in here and also enter my password that I initially put in. Click finish. And once you're logged in, there you are. You are now capable of using MetaTrader 4. And as you can see, it has my balance at the bottom here. And also the account is logged in at the top here where it says the account number and also demo account. So that is it for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.